Welcome to SPHX. I'm Daniel Valenzuela. I'm here with my co-host and my partner, Jonathan Cottrell.
It's good to be here. Thank
Mr.
you.
SPHX, Jonathan, Phoenix Startup Week. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much. It's been just amazing to see the whole startup community come together and really all the people that have supported what it is that's happening here within our great state. And I think this is a culmination of it for us. And this is only year two. I'm sure there are many great things in the years to come, but excited to see what has already come together in 2016.
Now, year one, the inaugural year, brought out 2,300 participants. This year, you'll probably double it. And, Phoenix Startup Week, or Startup Week, is a global thing. Phoenix Startup Week, we wouldn't be here without you. So
thank you.
That's a lot
it is
of work.
kind. We wouldn't be here without the entire community, though, and I really do mean that. I mean, ultimately, we have over 100 volunteers that are donating their time. We have organizers that have dedicated hundreds of hours to make this thing happen. We have people like yourself and all of the cities, really, a city of Scottsdale and Chandler and Tempe, as well as Phoenix, really supporting what it is that's happening here within the region, which is what we like to be seeing happening.
Absolutely. Now, all week long, more than 100 events that are free for entrepreneurs. Can you give us a couple of highlights?
Yeah, completely free. Every day we're going to have a fireside chat, the initial fireside chat by yours truly right here, but also great keynotes. Today we have CEO of GCU, Brian Mueller, coming out, and throughout the entire week, some really big names and people that have incredible success stories, some of which we haven't necessarily heard. But we have also President Crow from ASU going to the EdTech Day. We have a Latino track in partnership with the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. We also have a women's track down at Infusionsoft, and hitting some of those key spots throughout the week. GoDaddy, Infusionsoft, also Scottsdale Center for the Arts, Tempe Center for the Arts. There truly is something for everyone, whether you're a first-time entrepreneur, you're a serial entrepreneur, you're thinking about becoming an entrepreneur, there is something for everyone in our state.
Well, thank you so much for allowing me to participate in the fireside chat. Looking out into the audience, seeing such a diverse group of people, entrepreneurs, investors, people from education institutions, and so on and on and on. It was just, what a great vision for our city, and so that was a lot of fun. There are so many drivers of the Phoenix economy, and right now, the major drivers are information technology and financial services, healthcare, transportation, the bioscience, we can go on and on. The very foundation to every one of those sectors is the startup community, and that is what's so important for events like this, right?
Yeah, and I think, as an entrepreneur, one of the most important things that we can do is not isolate ourselves and really focus on coming together with others who have done it before us, getting that mentorship, that support, that help, and a lot of times just that encouragement that we need, because entrepreneurship is hard. You have to persevere, you have to be tenacious, you have to keep going even after you've heard a lot of no's and you've fallen down on your face a couple times. But ultimately what that tenacity is really the spirit of entrepreneurship. And so it's great to be with other people that understand that journey and can come together to support one another and support all of what's happening within Phoenix.
And different levels of the journey. You have people who are just starting out,
Yes.
and you have some very successful entrepreneurs who have made it, if you will,
Yes.
right? And who everyone is giving back. Everyone is
Absolutely
contributing, and to take your tagline for YesPHX, creating the most generous community for entrepreneurs.
I really believe that's what we have here. And it's not just something that is aspirational. It is aspirational. We want to be known as that most generous community for entrepreneurs, but it is also something that I believe is a reality today. We have people that are out there supporting, helping, giving back, returning all those favors, always willing to take a meeting. And I think that is the very spirit and the nature of what it is that we're building here in Phoenix.
Well, thank you for your many contributions, ongoing as well, for this ecosystem. Jonathan, thanks for your friendship. Tell us what we need to hear.
Well, YesPHX, follow on Twitter, use the hashtag for anything that you're sharing in an entrepreneur capacity, and we look forward to meeting you at Phoenix Startup Week, whether it's this year or in 2017. Mark it on your calendars.